As we age, we must learn to live without the desires of the body. The pursuit of pleasure is fleeting, but the pursuit of wisdom is eternal. The wise man seeks peace in old age, not pleasure. Old age is the time for contemplation, not for indulgence. In old age, the body weakens, but the mind can grow stronger. A wise man does not indulge in excesses. A calm and disciplined mind can rise above physical cravings. As one grows older, desires fade, making way for wisdom. True happiness lies in self-restraint. Old age frees us from the tyranny of the passions. As the body weakens, the soul should grow stronger. In old age, the focus should be on the cultivation of the mind. The good life is one of moderation, including in matters of sex. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.